time for the annual Hometown Tourist Weekend happening on June 15th and 16th. This is a time to discover and rediscover what is happening right here in your own backyard. Participants are offering special discounts and activities to entice you to explore your own community. This weekend will kick off with BC's Family Fishing Weekend, which is 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Bush Creek Hatchery, which is sponsored by the Ladysmith Sportsman Club. Tune in to some good vibes at LMS Open Mic on Saturday, June 15th at Ladysmith Museum Garden. Also on Saturday, visit the Festival of Lights. Golfing, kayaking, biking, and shopping are just some of the activities happening this weekend. Please make sure to visit our website or social media sites for last-minute updates and specials. You'll find us at take5.ca/hometowntourist. Enjoy the weekend! This video has been brought to you by Take 5, the publishers of the Ladysmith Explore Guide, where you can find tons more ideas, maps, and activities to do with your family this weekend.